Welcome back to the channel. The McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II is a legendary icon in the world of military aviation. Introduced in the 1960s, it became one of the most successful and widely used fighter jets of its time, with its distinctive, twin-engine tandem two-seat design and rugged frame. The F-4 Phantom II was built for power, speed, and versatility. This aircraft didn't just serve one branch of the U.S. military, it was adopted by the Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps, and later exported to over a dozen allied nations. When you first look at the F-4, what strikes you immediately is its bold, aggressive stance. Its wide fuselage, sharply swept wings, and twin vertical stabilizers scream performance. The shining silver finish adds an extra layer of presence, reflecting its power and history. The aircraft is over 63 feet long and stands more than 16 feet tall. Its sheer size made it both a fearsome interceptor and a formidable strike platform. Under the hood, or more accurately, in the tail section. The F-4 Phantom II is powered by two General Electric J79 turbojet engines. These engines generate a combined 35,000 pounds of thrust with afterburners, propelling the aircraft to a top speed of over Mach 2.2. That's more than 1,400 miles per hour. Even by today's standards, that's incredibly fast. This speed made it a nightmare for enemy pilots during its service in Vietnam and the Gulf War. The F-4 wasn't just fast, it was also deadly. It could carry up to 18,000 pounds of ordnance, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, bombs, and even nuclear weapons. The AIM-7 Sparrow and AIM-9 Sidewinder were standard weapons, giving it significant reach in combat, although early versions didn't have an internal gun. Later models like the F-4E added a 20mm M61 Vulcan cannon to cover close-range dogfights. Its avionics suite was advanced for its era, featuring radar, infrared tracking, and weapons control. Systems that were revolutionary in the 60s and 70s. Two crew members worked in tandem, pilot in the front, radar intercept officer in the back, to operate this high-speed flying weapon system with precision. What truly set the Phantom II apart was its multi-role capability. It could switch between roles as an air superiority fighter, ground attack aircraft, and reconnaissance platform. In Vietnam, it gained a reputation for toughness, speed, and firepower. Despite its large frame and weight, it could dogfight with agility and deliver payloads with pinpoint accuracy. Its performance wasn't without challenges. The aircraft had a high fuel consumption rate and generated a tremendous amount of smoke, making it easy to spot, but its raw power and technological edge more than compensated for these drawbacks. Pilots who flew the F-4 often spoke about its brute strength and how it felt like strapping into a rocket with wings. By the time it was phased out from frontline U.S. service in the 1990s, the Phantom had flown more than 5 million flight hours across more than 5,000 built units. It set multiple world records for speed, altitude, and time to climb. Even today, several nations continue to use upgraded versions of the F-4, proving its long-lasting legacy and robust engineering. Sitting in a modern luxury showroom, this shining silver Phantom is more than a museum piece. It's a symbol of an era when brute power, cutting-edge tech, and battlefield dominance defined air superiority. It's a testament to American aerospace engineering, and a reminder of a time when the skies were ruled by a twin-engine beast that roared louder than thunder. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, history buff, or someone who appreciates legendary machines, the McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II stands as a reminder of what it means to push the boundaries of performance, durability, and combat effectiveness.